What's up, everybody? It's Rocky, and today we're diving deep into the world of solid-state batteries. This isn't just some incremental upgrade. We're talking about a potential game changer in how we power everything from electric cars to our smartphones. We're going to break down why these batteries are generating so much hype. Think longer range for EVs, faster charging times, and even devices that last significantly longer on a single charge. But it's not just about convenience. Solid-state batteries could also be the key to a safer and more sustainable future. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an EV owner, or just curious about the future of energy, stick around as we explore the incredible potential of solid-state batteries. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with electric vehicles, or EVs, which are rapidly becoming a common sight on our roads. These vehicles represent a significant shift in how we think about transportation and energy consumption, because this is where solid-state batteries could have the biggest impact. Right now, range anxiety is a real thing for many EV owners. The fear of running out of battery before reaching a charging station can be a major deterrent for potential buyers. Solid-state batteries have the potential to store way more energy in the same space, meaning you could be looking at EVs with ranges comparable to or even exceeding traditional gasoline-powered cars. This could revolutionize the market, making electric vehicles a more viable option for long-distance travel. But it's not just about going further, it's about getting there faster. Solid-state batteries can handle much faster charging speeds compared to the lithium-ion batteries we have today. This means less time waiting around at charging stations and more time on the road. Imagine charging your EV in the time it takes to grab a cup of coffee. That's the kind of future we're talking about. Quick, convenient, and efficient charging could make electric vehicles even more appealing to the average consumer. And let's not forget about safety. One of the biggest advantages of solid-state batteries is that they're much less prone to overheating and catching fire, a concern that's always lingered around lithium-ion batteries. This could lead to a significant reduction in the number of battery-related incidents. With solid-state batteries, EVs could become safer, more practical, and even more appealing to a wider range of consumers. This technology could be the key to unlocking the full potential of electric vehicles, making them a mainstream choice for drivers everywhere. Now, let's talk about something we all use every day: our smartphones, laptops, and all sorts of portable electronics. Solid-state batteries can make these devices even thinner and lighter without compromising on battery life. Imagine a smartphone that lasts for days on a single charge, or a laptop you can actually use for a full workday without hunting for an outlet. That's the kind of convenience solid-state batteries could bring to our daily lives. And it's not just about smartphones and laptops. Wearable technology, like smartwatches and fitness trackers, could also see huge benefits. With smaller, more energy-dense batteries, we could have wearables that are more powerful, feature-packed, and less intrusive. Solid-state batteries could lead to a future where we're less tethered to our chargers and our devices seamlessly integrate into our lives. All right, let's shift gears and talk about something even bigger: renewable energy. One of the biggest challenges with solar and wind power is that they're intermittent. The sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. That's where energy storage comes in, and solid-state batteries could be a complete game changer. Their higher energy density means we can store more energy from renewable sources, making them more reliable and efficient. Think about it: homes and businesses powered by solar panels even at night, or entire cities running on wind energy stored in massive solid-state battery banks. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's a very real possibility with this technology. Solid-state batteries could be the missing piece of the puzzle when it comes to transitioning to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. Next up, let's talk about something out of this world, literally. The realm of aerospace and space exploration is one of the most exciting and challenging fields of human endeavor. It pushes the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. When it comes to aerospace and space exploration, weight is everything. Every gram counts. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly to reduce the weight of every component, from the spacecraft's body to its internal systems. Solid-state batteries are significantly lighter than traditional lithium-ion batteries, which is a game changer. This reduction in weight can have a profound impact on the design and functionality of various aerospace technologies. This means we could have lighter aircraft, drones, and even spacecraft. Imagine the possibilities. More efficient flights, longer missions, and the ability to explore further than ever before. This translates to increased efficiency, longer flight times, and the ability to carry more payload. For instance, drones could stay airborne for extended periods, covering larger areas for surveillance or delivery. The ability to carry more payload means that spacecraft can be equipped with more scientific instruments, enhancing our ability to conduct research and gather data from space. But it's not just about weight. Safety is paramount in space. The harsh environment of space requires technology that is not only efficient but also incredibly reliable and safe. The higher stability and lower risk of fires make solid-state batteries an incredibly attractive option for space missions. These batteries are less likely to overheat or catch fire, which is crucial for the safety of both the spacecraft and its crew. In space missions, reliability is absolutely critical. A single failure can jeopardize an entire mission, so every component must perform flawlessly. Imagine drones that can stay in the air for hours, providing continuous surveillance or delivering supplies to remote locations without needing frequent recharges. Electric airplanes that can travel longer distances would revolutionize air travel, making it more sustainable and efficient. And spacecraft that can explore the cosmos further than ever before would open up new frontiers in our quest to understand the universe. Solid-state batteries could make all of this and more a reality, transforming the future of aerospace and space exploration in ways we can only begin to imagine. Now, let's bring it back down to Earth and talk about how solid-state batteries can revolutionize the medical field. Longer-lasting, more reliable batteries are crucial for powering medical devices, especially those implanted in the body. Pacemakers, hearing aids, insulin pumps, these devices often rely on batteries that need to be replaced surgically, which can be risky and inconvenient for patients. Solid-state batteries could potentially last much longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. But it's not just about longevity, it's also about safety. The reduced risk of leaks or fires makes solid-state batteries a safer option for implantable medical devices, providing peace of mind for both patients and doctors. Solid-state batteries could lead to a future where medical devices are more reliable, longer-lasting, and safer for everyone. Finally, let's talk about the role of solid-state batteries in military and defense applications. In these high-stakes environments, reliability and performance are absolutely essential. Solid-state batteries can provide a significant tactical advantage, powering everything from portable communication devices to unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones. Their higher energy density means soldiers can carry less weight in batteries while still having the power they need to operate effectively. And it's not just about power, it's also about resilience. Solid-state batteries are more resistant to extreme temperatures, shocks, and vibrations, making them ideal for use in harsh and unpredictable environments. Solid-state batteries could be a game changer for military and defense operations, providing enhanced capabilities and a tactical edge in the field. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible potential of solid-state batteries. From revolutionizing electric vehicles to powering the future of mobile devices, renewable energy, and even space exploration, this technology has the potential to reshape our world in countless ways. Imagine a world where electric cars can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, where your smartphone lasts for days without needing a recharge, and where renewable energy sources are more efficient and reliable than ever before. While there are still challenges to overcome, like bringing down the cost of production and scaling up manufacturing, these hurdles are not insurmountable. Researchers and engineers are working tirelessly to find innovative solutions to these problems. The future of solid-state batteries is incredibly bright. The advancements we are seeing today are just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more impressive developments in the years to come. With major companies and research institutions investing heavily in this technology, the pace of innovation is accelerating. These investments are crucial for driving the research and development needed to bring solid-state batteries to the mainstream market. We can expect to see significant breakthroughs. These breakthroughs will not only improve the performance and safety of batteries, but also make them more accessible and affordable for everyone, and wider adoption in the coming years. As more industries begin to adopt solid-state batteries, we will see a ripple effect that will transform various sectors, from transportation to consumer electronics and beyond. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of solid-state batteries. It's an exciting time to be following this technology, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on